Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video we're going to continue on with our paver or porcelain paver and our Bristol stone. Here we're creating a border, and in the middle here we're using porcelain paver, and I want to walk you through the process of how to install porcelain paver step by step. We already start, but I'm going to explain to you guys what we did so far. And from now on, I'll teach you guys how to install porcelain paver. Let's dive right into the video. So what I did so far, I string a line from there, put another line over there. I took the measurement that I have down here and I transfer it all the way down here. As you see, we have the same measurement. So that way, once everything is finished, we have everything nice in line. So what I'm doing now, we're using this Brussels stone here, natural stone, as our border. I cut one in half and I started so that we can stagger a band, because this one and the Brussels stone is 1/8 of an inch or maybe 1/4 inch difference. So I just stagger it there. This mortar that I'm using here is a premix mortar type S, and I had some tin set from Mapi tin set, pretty strong. For the porcelain tile, for the porcelain paver, you wanna back butter it with some adhesive tin set. This is the same Mapi tin set I'm using to back butter it, and this one I mix it with the Mapi as well. So right now we're just gonna start by install our first stone here right now. Okay guys, so no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you see here, we're gonna clear here, clear this section, clear that section as well. Just take off this. Here I have some water mixed with bonding glue. Just gonna spray a little bit, just because I was doing the demonstration. So I have it here sit for a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna install my first stone. Okay, so you wanna do your mortar so that your stone go a bit higher than where you want it to have it, and then you just bang it down in place, just like you see I'm doing right now. You see we have some coming through the joint here. Just gonna wet here so that I can remove this mortar from here. Removing this mortar kind of help whenever you're knocking it down. Kind of go down more freer rather than have it here. Just gonna remove this one here. This one we're gonna just shove it over like so. Just take out a little bit of mortar from here. Just like so. I'm just gonna draw this back a little bit. Remove some of the mortar that I have here. Once I bang it down, the mortar that's gonna fill back this gap, or should I say this space here. So now I'm just gonna rub it down like this and go right up. As you see, it's almost where we want to have him now. Careful when you bang it, because you can break it. So I already catch the slope from this one. I catch the slope from here. So we want to put our level right onto our paver. Make sure it's sitting flush onto this one that we already catch our slope. So now it's telling me that I need to go down a little bit in order to have the same slope as we already started here. Just gonna remove some more of the material. also want to feel, make sure this one is flushing with this one. Another thing, you're going to put your level this way now. Make sure that the level is sitting perfectly level onto this one here, so that we can carry on with our same slope that we started with, which is the first one down here. We're going with a 1/4 inch per foot slope onto our paver. A 1/4 inch space up here. This is the spacer that we're used to have a consistent looking joint. We're using our line as a guide to have the same. Okay, this one looks good to me. You also want to go ahead and wet the back of your stone with some water mixed with bonding glue. Install this paver here. Just gonna knock it down to the same level as this one. Also want to put a level right across. Make sure that the level is sitting perfectly level onto. Like I said, we're working 1/4 inch per foot. As you see my level, the bubble is right at the end of the line. So 1/4 inch per foot. If you were to measure this, for 1/4 inch per foot, which I did already, the width, you want to measure the width. The width of this is 5 feet. And to go 1/4 inch per foot, you need 1/4 inch per foot. So that'll be 1 1/4 inches. So you'd run a line from over there, dead on, and then over here you would raise it up 1 1/4 inches, so that we slope our water that way, and you're gonna have a 1/4 inch per slope. That's what I did here. So over here is more higher, and over there is more lower. Keep on watching, you see as I go. Now we're gonna spray down over here before we put our mortar. We install our stone. See guys, I try to go up and down like this just to make sure that my stone is sitting perfectly level.
Just like so. And we're just gonna mark it right across.